In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record prototype to GIF file in Figma. Open your design in Figma. Make sure you are on the file and page where your prototype lives, so everything you want to show is ready to go. If you already have your prototype links and animations set, you are in great shape. Next, open Quick Actions by pressing Ctrl-K. Then choose Plugins and Widgets from the menu. This is the fastest way to find what you need without leaving your canvas. You'll get a searchable list where you can quickly jump to the right tool. In the search bar, type Export to GIF or Video. This plugin is a popular choice because it supports smart animate and interactive components so your transitions look exactly the way you designed them. Here is also a free plan with limited daily exports, which is perfect for occasional use. Open the plugin from the results to get started. Before you capture anything, select a frame that has a flow starting point. In a prototype, the starting point indicates where playback begins. So selecting the correct frame ensures the plugin follows your intended path. If your design has multiple flows, pick the one that matches the story you want to show. With that frame selected, the plugin will read your flow and capture the sequence for you, reflecting the transitions and interactions you've already set up. Now it's time to configure your export. In the plugin, set your transitions and frames per second icon to match the feel you want. A higher FPS will look smoother but can increase file size. A moderate setting is usually a good balance. Review any available transition options so your smart animate and other effects look natural. Then, choose the format as GIF. This ensures your output is a looping, easily shareable file that plays automatically in most apps. When everything looks good, click Download. Give your file a clear name so it's easy to find later. After it saves, preview the GIF to confirm the timing and motion feel right. If it's too fast, too slow, or too large, adjust FPS or transition settings and export again until it matches your needs. Keep in mind that shorter, focused sequences usually communicate best and keep file sizes manageable. That's it. Thanks for watching.